What's up guys, welcome back to Tech Phantom. And now that the Realme Narzo 30 and the Realme Narzo 30 5G are launching in India, so we have all the specifications of this phone and also the launch price of this phone. So if you are new here, then consider subscribing to our channel Tech Phantom and also help us reaching out as our 1000 subscriber goal. So now that you have done that, let's get started. Now if we talk about first the specifications of the Realme Narzo 30, then it's going to run on the Android 11 with the Realme UI 2.0 on the top, and on the display side it will be having a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display and with the aspect ratio of 20:9. Not only that, it will be powered by the MediaTek Helio G95 SoC and it will be coupled with the 6GB of RAM. Now this will be a triple camera setup with the phone, and it will be a 48 megapixel primary camera and 2 megapixels of the secondary and tertiary camera, which will be of a 2 megapixel of monochrome camera and a 2 megapixel of macro shooter. For the selfie, it will be having a 16 megapixel selfie camera, and on board it will be providing with a 128GB of a base storage. Not only that, the Realme Narzo 30 will be a 4G phone and it will be supporting a Bluetooth 5.0, and the fingerprint will be of side mounted and the Type-C and the headphone jack is back. Not only that, on the charging speed, it will be having a 30-watt dart charge fast charging support for the 5000 mAh battery. On the price of the Realme Narzo 30, then it is to be launched around 14,000 rupees and it will be a direct competition to the Poco M3 Pro. Now moving our focus towards the Realme Narzo 30 5G, then it will be as the same specifications for the Realme Narzo 30, but the difference over here will be the MediaTek Dimensity 700 SoC, which will be paired with a 4 plus 128GB of storage. On the camera side, it will be having a same camera setup with a 48 megapixel as primary camera, 2 megapixels of monochrome and the 2 megapixels of a third camera. Now for the selfies, it will be having the same 16 megapixel selfie camera, but it will be including a 5G connectivity for the better internet connectivity. But as we all know that 5G in India is right now only for the marketing, and there is no official 5G bands which has been allocated to the networks of the India. Now this phone will also be a priority, or we can say as a bit improvement over the Realme 8 5G, and it will be a bit, and it will replace the Realme 8. Not only that, the phone will also comes with a 6.5-inch Full HD Plus display with a 90Hz of refresh rate. Now if we talk about the pricing of this phone, then we can expect this phone to be launched around 17,000 to 18,000 rupees. Now for the 4 plus 128GB of variant, but we are pretty sure that the phone will launch around a bit lower than that. Now if we talk about one more thing about it's the pre-booking offers for the Realme Narzo 30 and the Realme Narzo 30 5G. Right now for the pre-bookings offers, the Realme might give out over a 500 rupees of a flat discount for the early bird sales for its Realme Narzo 30 and Realme Narzo 30 5G. And also we'll be covering more in-depth looks about this phone and in-depth comparison of these phones. So if you haven't subscribed it already, then give this video a thumbs up and also press that bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the very next one.